as a business owner, you're gonna have to do presentations a lot, especially in the drone industry, because you have to do a lot of education, telling your customers what it is exactly that you do. So anytime you get an opportunity like this, you should definitely take advantage of it. Hey y'all, Taylor Mitcham here, and today I am at the Fun Airshow in Lakeland, Florida. You're probably thinking like, Taylor, there's just airplane stuff there, but actually there's drone stuff here too. I have a little bit of free time before I go and do my presentation about drones this morning, so I thought that I would walk around and see what's going on at the show. Okay, one of the other reasons why I'm here is because doing speaking engagements like this, it can be good for your business, and it's also good just if you're new, especially to public speaking and things like this. Because sometimes what happens is you do one speaking engagement and then they want you to come to another thing and another thing and another thing, and it's just another opportunity for you to get your business out there and for marketing. And so the reason why I'm doing the video like this instead of my usual kind of sit down and just have a chat is that y'all want to see more of a day in my life. So I thought that I would kind of do a vlog style of today and see how it goes. But anyway, I gotta head over to the AOPA tent over there and go ahead and get situated for my talk.
A few moments later.
Alright, now let's go. Now I'm over at the AOPA tent getting ready for my thing. Go ahead and sit down, review my presentation one more time, hopefully get situated, and then yeah, see it right here. So I just finished my speaking session with the AOPA. Also got interviewed for the Sun and Fun radio station, so that was cool. And overall, got some decent amount of people to talk to. Again, not like the best for client acquisition per se, but it is good practice talking about your business, talking about yourself, why drones, and all of that. So now we're gonna go check out some more stuff at the show. Was talking about before is doing things like this. Number one, it helps educate the general public on drones and how drones are used, especially this particular community. Most of these people are manned aviation pilots, so a lot of them may not necessarily know about drones in certain capacities. So they may not know about how useful drones are. They just see drones as like a nuisance to their airspace. One of the things that you didn't see is that a lot of people came up to me afterwards and they were asking me additional follow-up questions. There was even a couple I met from Williston, North Dakota, which is where I first got started with drones, so that's crazy, and I'm sweating. You should always be ready to present and talk about your business and talk about how drones are helping society as a whole, no matter to what audience you're catering to, because it's just going to help all of us. Of course, it's going to help you grow your business too, because the more you get your name out there, the more you get your company out there, the better it's just going to be for your business. So that's going to be it for this. There's a free gift in the description below. If you click the first link, you're going to get a free copy of the profitable client course that helps you to get a profitable client in your drone business. So click that first link, enter in your first name, your email, and I'll send it right over to you. Please remember to like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe so you don't miss the new videos I put out every single week. And also, if you liked this kind of vlog format, I know it's really different than what I normally do, but if you like this format, let me know. And that's gonna be it for the vlog.